Hey y'all, my name is Alexis Ryder. We're here in my New York City apartment about to make some king cakes. I started making king cakes back when the hurricanes hit Southwest Louisiana, which is my home. I started making these as a fundraiser since I couldn't go home and help with cleanup. I raised almost $700 making these king cakes for New York City locals who have never heard of it. And I gained some loyal customers, and so they were asking for them during Mardi Gras season, and it's Mardi Gras season, so here we are in my kitchen baking some king cakes.